Now this is your product page. This checkout is very high converting, and you can have all the stuff on your phone if you want as well, which is kind of cool. The pre-built e-commerce store. I'm gonna give you a tour today about the pre-built e-commerce store, and I'm gonna show you why this is the best thing to use right now if you have a drop shipping business, if you have a small business, and you wanna have a proper e-commerce store set up today easily by yourself in a few minutes, and is very cool. So let's get right into it. Starting off, we have this nice little header. So as you can see, everything is very simplistic, very straightforward, all you need. When I was building this template, or let's say the pre-built e-commerce store, because this is much more than a template, I was really going with the idea of really minimalistic stuff. So if you really don't need it, I didn't include it because I wanted to make this as simple as possible and as easy as possible to set up. Now this is your product page. It has a very nice gallery slider here, and this nice little side section with your plus minus selector. And let's see that add to cart action. You have the side cart popping out, the checkout, which is very nice. It has this modern look, which you don't normally find in WooCommerce stores, but we used FunnelKit to build this checkout experience, and it's very nice. As you can see, you also have this very fancy credit card form, and overall this checkout is very high converting. It's this classic Shopify kind of look layout. Shopify first kind of came out with it, but it's now also available on WooCommerce, and as well this is also editable using Elementor. So this is very cool, and you can easily also manage these fields and stuff. So very cool. That is a very nice looking checkout. This is how the pre-built store, the pre-built e-commerce store looks from pretty much all aspects. It's very simple, and that's the whole point of it. So I'm going to show you right now how easy it is to edit everything and set up your store. Now there is a detailed guide available for how to set up your e-com store, your pre-built e-commerce store from scratch, from hosting to finish. So if you want to check it out, find a white box somewhere around here, or go to my channel and the video should be right there. Okay, now let's go to our WordPress dashboard here, and I'm just gonna move myself over here to the top so we can see better. So I'm gonna go through some basics about how to edit all your pages. Now, you're probably gonna wanna set your logo. Now, the logo on the pre-built e-commerce store is set here under Appearance, Customize, and I'm just gonna open it in a new tab so I have my dashboard available. And if you go down to Site Identity, you can change your logo here. And that's gonna change your logo through the whole site from here to thank you page. Everywhere your logo is gonna change from changing it here. Let's close that up and go to Pages. Now on Pages, you're gonna see you have your checkout here, your home, but this is only for under Pages. You should only edit your home page, your My Account page, and your Terms and Privacy page. The shop page is, you can edit that, but it's not really you don't really have anything to edit there. You have your My Account page, which you don't have to edit. If you want to have the feature of having an account, you can play around and set up everything a little better, but it's already set up pretty much. Now, if we go to the home page, now you're going to want to edit the pages with Elementor. So all the stuff is built here with Elementor. So you want to edit everything with Elementor, and the way that works, you just I love to open it in a new tab, so I have the dashboard ready to roll when I'm finished. So as you can see, it's very simple. It's very simple to edit everything. It's basically just a drag and drop page builder. So let's say you want to move around some sections, you just drag and drop stuff around, and you can play around. You can also add new sections. You can play around with Elementor, but if you don't have experience with Elementor, I would advise you to check out a few YouTube videos about how everything works, because when you start adding new things and stuff, things can get a little bit tricky, but you can play around with the sections we made for you, which is, I think, for most use cases, more than enough. Let's go to see the Terms and Privacy page, by the way, because this is also something you might want to add. It's a very cool template we made here, and as well, it's like a Word editor, very simple, and you can add your privacy and terms here. And you can also then add the page to a menu, so I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go under Appearance and Menus, you have your menu here, so you can, for example, if you want to add a page, you just select it here and add it to your menu, click Save, and it's gonna update automatically on your store, as you can see. So that's very cool. Now let's go into how to edit your checkout. Your checkout is powered by FunnelKit, which is a software for building funnels. Here you can see a little bit of a data, how's everything going. If you click on store checkout and then checkout, you can then edit your checkout here with Elementor as well. So I'm gonna open this up in a new tab and your checkout is gonna be popping out here. You can play around with the font sizes, with different fonts and everything here. You can go through all the style settings and set everything up to match your branding. You can change the text, and everything. So yeah, it's very simple to edit. If you wanna, for example, edit your fields, you can you go under checkout and fields, you can change the fields here. FunnelKit is a very cool software for building funnels. So if you want, check out their pro version as well. It enables you to build some cool stuff with order bumps, upsells, cross sells, all that kind of stuff. If you want to edit your thank you page as well, click on thank you page, edit template, and you can edit it as well with Elementor. Let's say you want to set a different link to this button, or it's not even set. You can change it to home page, for example. Very simply click update. As you can see, Elementor is crazy easy. If you want to edit, change anything, it's very simple to do so. If you go to a product page, you're gonna see, besides the fact that it's looking very nice in the beginning, it's also packed with this landing page layout. And the way we did that is very cool because you can also edit this with Elementor. If you go under products and you go to a product, you're gonna see that where normally a description would be here on a normal WooCommerce store, you have Elementor here. So if you open that in a new tab, you're gonna be able to edit the below section of the product page using Elementor, which is very cool. Let's say you wanna have, I don't know, another section like that, you can duplicate it and you can move it to the top and it's all drag and drop. You can make it responsive. Now it's already, the stuff that you can see already built is already fully optimized and everything. So you can get the mobile app and you can have all the stuff on your phone if you want as well, which is kind of cool. If you haven't yet, get your PreBuilt eCommerce store. The link is down below in the description. If you want to check out the best hosting available currently on the internet, it's called NeoSurf. There's a link to their website down below as well. And let me know what you think about the PreBuilt eCommerce store. And if you need any help, any assistance, check out our support stuff down below in the description. And we're more than open to help anybody. That's it for the video, guys. If you want to see the whole process of setting up everything, from setting up your hosting to having everything set up, you can also check out the detailed video about setting up your PreBuilt eCommerce store. And this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys in the next one.